Hi, we're looking at the AirTowel KTM120 from Hytron Solutions Inc. And what comes in the box is a main body unit over here. That's where the sensor is and where the blower is right here. And then you have the water block right here. And on the bottom, it shows you how high the water is. And we'll show you all the buttons and everything else on the inside of this in just a moment. You also receive the back plate to mount it on the wall, and all the screws and the opener that you need. So on the sides you have the button here for the power switch, then you have the heater switch and the air adjustment from high, low, and medium. So this is button press, and these are the heater and the power. And then on this side of the unit there's an air filter cover that's easily removable for cleaning, and inside is a filter. So you can take it out and replace it as needed. Now we're going to wash the hands. Okay, now we're going to dry the hands with the air towel. The air towel did a great job of drying the hands forward and back. It even has a function for heater, and the fan speed could be adjusted to low, medium, and high.